First thing you want to do is to open up the app right here, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on volume booster right here. So right here, it's going to open up your audio in the sections right here. So all this audio right here, you can also import folder. So right here, I'm going to select this first audio right here. When you select audio, you can go ahead and click on next right here. Then if I try to, this is just on our 200 balance right here. This is just 200 balance. If I decide to make it 300 balance popular right here, I'll go ahead and select 300. Then let's play sound. Just like so. Let's go ahead and check on the max one, which is 500% right here. Select 500% and let's play the sound. Just like so. Once you're satisfied with the current audio volume, go ahead and click on boost right here. %, save, and you are done. You can boost as many as possible audio volume with this particular app right here. It's that simple. For more, and for you to get this particular app, I'm going to exit from here. Then go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then after you open up your Play Store, click on search. Then come to search app and game. Go ahead and type in audio editor. Hit on search. Then this is the app right here. What you need to do is to download audio editor and music editor right here. Go ahead and open up the app. So just like so, I have already downloaded and installed the app and I'm enjoying it, and I decided to share with you guys right here. So you can see there are a lot of stuff you can do with this particular app. So after you successfully download and install, you go ahead and click on open, and it's going to take you to the app interface right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use this app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.